Well, hey there. I'm Michelle McCay,
And I am Cynthia Bolden.
and we've been talking about the 7 keys to locking up those inflammatory arsonists in your body.
hmm
So today we're on number 7.
hmm
So anybody want to guess what number 7 is? So
hmm
number 7 is to use natural anti-inflammatory remedies. So what this is going to entail is nutritional supplements.
Yay.
So what better to put in our body that amazing cellular nutrition to where now the body knows what to do. And the body now knows it can release inflammation, right?
Exactly. Supplementation is key. There is no such thing in today's society of no supplementation.
Right.
It's just not going to happen, but it must be good supplementation, right?
Yes.
And so that's why, again, we go right back to the drops. And then there are other products that you will hear us discuss as, in time, things that we can add and do. But supplementation, one of the things too that Dr. Strand talks about is along with our drops, the results he got with the drops. But when other supplementation was added, what did he get? Better results. So
Yeah.
that's something I would highly suggest that you stay tuned to as we further this and learn more and more about good cellular nutrition. But key number 7, it just summed it up beautifully. It must be plant-based, good cellular nutrition in the area of supplementation. So
Yeah.
what does supplementation really mean? Supplement, it's like insurance. Hey,
Yes.
and
Yes.
I like to look at it that way,
Yeah.
right?
That's
And
right.
then the way you feel when
That's
you
right.
take it.
That's right.
So
Love it.
I know,
Love it.
right?
So let's summarize the 7 keys for
Yeah.
locking up those inflammatory arsonists in your body. So, number 1 was to detoxify. Number 2 is eat the right kinds of fats. Number 3 is to avoid simple carbohydrates. 4 is to improve your lymphatic drainage. 5, use antioxidant nutrients. And 6 is to support the adrenal glands.
Mhm.
And then 7 is to use natural anti-inflammatory remedies. So it brings us right back to the drops because that is the most amazing nutritional supplement that we can put in our body. So again, we don't treat, cure, or diagnose, that this is our feeling that, and with experience, that
Mhm.
these all together, these 7 keys are going to help you reduce the inflammation in your body. And we know the drops are key,
Mhm.
right?
I totally agree.
So, y'all stay tuned. We'll be talking about more and more of our products that have to do with some of these keys that you can
Mhm.
add to the drops because you're going to come on and off the drops once you've met your goal. So, there are some other products that are going to help you meet your further health goals.
And really, it's maintenance.
Yes,
I mean,
absolutely.
we maintain everything.
Yes,
Let's
yes.
maintain ourselves, and we'll show you how.
Absolutely. So stay tuned.